What a lovely, lovely day. Absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now.
Shoots! What a great way to start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain has basically triggered a contest that should be even livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on, this could be rather exciting. Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Manchester United with an early lead. Good start. And it's Dybala. He's picked him out. Shapes to shoot! Back of the net! They are right back in business. Was there ever any doubt?
Oh, that's excellent composure because the keeper put as much pressure on as he could by not committing sooner.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're back again.
Get a throw in. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Chiesa, Danilo. Midway through the first period, and it's looking quite a game here. And Dybala! Oh my word, that is fantastic! That is a gem! An absolute gem! And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
Juventus are certainly a team that knows how to play their football as stylishly as you'll see. Tiki-taka at its very best, and they back it up with goals.
Juventus go into the lead.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Alexander-Arnold. Messi. Danilo gets it back. De Ligt. Bentancur. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Wijnaldum has created one goal already. And here's Neymar. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
Cuadrado can hoist it clear. Bonucci tries to get it forward quickly. Wijnaldum. Ronaldo going for goal! It's there! Again, we are level! What a contest!
Manchester United are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heavily.
This is quite a battle.
Well, they're back on level terms, so the guessing game goes on. As to what will happen from here, I've no idea.
Alex Telles. And here's Neymar. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Hoists it forward. Now the counter. This could spell Cristiano Ronaldo! A great save, real class.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
This possibly the last play of the half. Gets up to head it! It's bounced out! That's it for the first half. A breathless ending. Manchester United playing their part in a real slugfest here. A glut of goals and nothing to suggest much is going to change.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period.
Terrific half, 4 goals split evenly, beautifully set up for the second period to follow. And we're already into the second period.
Manchester United can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose. You can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
It's Alex Telles. Neymar provides an outlet. It's out for a goal kick. So now we're going to get those changes we have been expecting. Dybala. Rabiot, Bentancur, and here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Dybala! And the ball's come out. Bernardeschi. Bentancur. Bentancur proving impossible to wrestle off the ball. Oh, some tackle that. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Bentancur plays it out to the wing. Ball's gone out of play. Alexander-Arnold. Just about up to 75 minutes. And it's Neymar. Neymar trying to run down the left wing. He's got options out wide. Has a hit! Goal! Manchester United! And the comeback is complete! Oh, that always looked the likely outcome.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from Moransit.
Snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of the goal. What a display, what a player.
A couple of changes then in quick succession. Manchester United get themselves into the lead.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's...
And the finish! So close to drawing level.
Cristiano Ronaldo couldn't quite put that away, but there's plenty of positives in how they've responded.
Alex Telles can get it clear. Bernardeschi.
Juventus are actually displaying tremendous fighting spirit. There's a real belief that they can still have a say.
And here's Dybala. Foul and a free kick in a very dangerous area.
It's just a silly one to give away at this stage of the game.
Now this is a potential flashpoint, and the referee has his hands full. Dybala! Dybala plays it short, played into the middle. Well read, he sorted that out.
Look, with time running out, they have to get the ball in the penalty box, and if it means a long punt, then so be it. They've got to give themselves a chance.
Keeper's got good distance on that. Messi. There will be 4 extra minutes. Almost there, and the players can feel it. Bonucci. And that is that. Manchester United have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. Truly outstanding comeback